ఫస్ట్ మనం ఈ స్టూడియో ప్రొపరేటర్, ఓనర్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ తనతో మాట్లాడి తెలుసుకుందాం.
Hi, so I'm Muskan. A year ago, I was in Australia completing my master's. There, I've been working in a mall and I saw how fond people are of Indian products and handmade products. That gave me a reason to start this. And when back in India, when we visited different manufacturing units and artisans units, the very sight of the pottery wheel and their hands creating this beautiful articles inspired us, and that gave birth to Art Story.
ముస్కాన్ గారు ఆస్ట్రేలియాలో మాస్టర్స్ చదివినప్పుడు అక్కడ చూసారనమాట మన ఇండియన్
ఆర్ట్ని
Art.
ఎలా
ఇండియన్ ఆర్ట్కి చాలా ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా అక్కడ. సో అది చూసి తను ఇన్స్పైర్డ్ బై దాట్ షీ స్టార్టెడ్ దిస్ స్టూడియో వేర్ ఇన్ షీ హ్యాడ్ డిఫరెంట్ కలెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్
potteries, plants and dineware. Everything was handmade and people were so fond of it. They were loving it entirely. They were praising Indian artisans.
సో ఇవన్నీ కలెక్షన్ అంతా where did you get it?
We got it from regional parts of India. చిన్న చిన్న విలేజెస్ లో వీలే మన ఆర్టిజన్స్ చిన్న
Okay.
చిన్న ఊర్లో వీళ్ళు పాటరీ చేస్తుంటారు. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్పోజర్ లేదు. మనం ఏదో ప్లాట్ఫామ్ వచ్చి వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఇట్స్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. దే బీన్ టేకెన్ ఫర్ గ్రాంటెడ్. మనం అట్లా మనం పట్టించుకోవాలి వాళ్ళని.
స్మాల్ టౌన్స్లో ఉండి వాళ్ళు కష్టపడి చేసిన ఆ కళని ఈ విధంగా ఒక సిటీలో ఒక స్టూడియో ఏర్పాటు చేసి పబ్లిక్కి తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఒక ఇన్కమ్ సోర్స్ వాళ్ళకు కూడా. మనం అక్కడ నుంచి తెప్పించి ఇక్కడ సేల్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి. సో మీ స్టూడియో ఎక్కడ లొకేషన్ అయి ఉంది?
Our studio is located in Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. The landmark is pillar number 1565 Chaitanya Puri. You can visit us from Monday to Sunday from 11 a.m. onwards to 8 p.m. in the night.
సో ఈ స్టోర్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో ఆ గూగుల్ లొకేషన్ నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తాను. సో కావాలంటే మీరు చూడవచ్చు. అండ్ వెబ్సైట్ కూడా ఉంది కదా,
Website కూడా ఉంది.
వెబ్సైట్లో కూడా డీటెయిల్స్ అన్నీ చూసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. కాంటాక్ట్ కూడా అవ్వచ్చు కదా, ఇన్ కేస్ కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ కూడా ఇస్తాను. సో దట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే యూ కెన్ కాంటాక్ట్. ఫస్ట్ విల్ చెక్అవుట్ వాట్ ఆల్ దే హ్యావ్.
So if you treat all your plants like a child, so if you're willing to provide a beautiful, cozy home for all your plant childs, you can come visit us. The specialty of our products is all the products are made from 4 majorly earthy elements: earth, water, mud and soil. Nothing synthetic, nothing artificial. We promise to protect your plants. This in here is our bamboo planter. It looks like bamboo. The specialty of this is when you take it into the light, there are tiny crackles that appear here that makes it beautiful. One here is our lotus planter. This is very apt for your tulsi and other plants.
అండ్ వాటికి డ్రైన్ హోల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా?
Yeah, all our planters have drain hole and they come with a plate. So you don't have to worry about the furniture and everything.
ఓకే.
This one here is our pastel yellow. It also comes with a drain hole. It's very apt for your dining table and your living room. It makes the ambience very beautiful. This one here is a metal planter. It's rust-free powder coated metal. Doesn't require any maintenance. The best part of these pots are you can just place the pots into the planter. You don't have to really plant the entire plant.
It's pot in pot method.
Yes.
And all these plants are real, right? ఇవన్నీ
Yes, all
నిజమైన
these
plants.
plants are real. And
Okay.
we are giving the plants as complimentary just for 89 rupees. All these
Okay.
are indoor exquisite plants. You get them on a really high price outside, but then
Yeah.
as a compliment, you're giving it only for 89 rupees. This one here is a tortoise. The nerve plant here in the tortoise looks very beautiful.
Do you know the name of the plant?
Yeah, a nerve plant. This is a
Okay.
nerve plant.
Okay.
It's a creeper basically. When you
Okay.
put in your living room beside the sofa or beside the TV, it's an air purifier.
చాలా బాగుంది ప్లాంట్. ప్లాంటర్ కొంటే మనకి ప్లాంట్స్ జస్ట్ ₹89కి ఇస్తా అంటున్నాను. బట్ ఈ ప్లాంట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా కాస్ట్లీ ఉంటాయండి, చాలా ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ ఉంటాయి.
One is really beautiful app for your TV shelves and everything. You can place it on your dining table also. This one here is a marble money plant.
And that comes with drip trays.
Yeah, this comes. Most of the planters come with drain holes and with the plates to avoid any damage to the furniture and your local area.
So people can buy the planter along with the plant.
Yes.
And if they don't want plant?
You can just buy the planter. The cost of the plant will be deducted.
Okay.
This one here is a fiddle leaf fig. It grew out so well with our royal blue planter. It looks very beautiful.
చాలా
when you
బాగా
hold it.
అనిపిస్తుంది. It looks really beautiful.
We have a few series, like this is a mommy and child series. You can see tiny and
Oh.
enlargement. We've put money plants to enhance the look. This one here, it's rustic metal planter.
Okay.
It looks very rustic. I'm not really sure about the name of the plant here.
Yeah, but it gives vintage feel.
Yeah, this is a very vintage and rustic planter.
Yeah. And that is also like pot in pot method, right?
Pot in pot. We have pot in pot.
Okay. It also has a drain hole, but we can do pot in pot.
This one here is a swamp. We have exotic, cute planters. If your home missing a beachy vibe, you can grab our shell planter. It's exactly like a cone shape, and you can plant whatever your favorite plant is and place in your favorite living area or the favorite area of your house. The major difference between our planters and what you get on the roadside are the quality of the planters. The planters on the roadside are the second base quality planters, but we offer the first base and premium quality planters. You can actually come and feel the product. The one here, we call this as Doraemon pocket. Most of you can relate, I guess. It's
That's
like a Doraemon
Doraemon
pocket.
head.
This is just for $2.99. The planter cost is, of course, extra.
Hmm.
It looks very beautiful, and probably you can put it in your child's room to give a resemblance of Doraemon.
చాలా చాలా బాగుంది, నిజంగా చాలా బాగుంది.
And here we have this cute vintage car. Whoever is fond of cars and everything, we've placed a succulent here.
Hmm.
The specialty of product is, again, there's a crackle. Comes with a drain hole. We would suggest you to plant such planters directly. Most of the pots are not apt for this, so we tried planting it directly, as you can see.
Hmm.
A few of them pot are plant, others are like.
True. So it doesn't have a drain hole, right?
It does have a drain hole.
Okay. Okay. It does.
Most of us treat cow as a deity, so we've tried to come up with a design to place it in your puja room or your other holy areas of the house. Again, this comes with a hole, so you can plant any sort of plant. We have tried to pot a money plant sort of thing in this. So this is a very special planter here. This is a blue pottery planter. If you're all not aware of the blue pottery, it's a Mughal art that has been practiced in Tibet. So it actually came to India from Afghanistan, and since then it has been in practice in Jaipur only. So you get these planters only in Jaipur, and there are only 10 families right now that are practicing this. This is our lotus round planter. As you can see, it's round in shape and looks like a lotus, very apt to plant your bonsais and everything. It also comes with a drain hole, you can see here. You can actually place it in your kitchen, in your living area, wherever you prefer to, with your most favorite plant.
And
I
this
don't know the
plant
plant's
looks,
name.
the pattern చాలా
We
బాగుంది.
tried to
pattern
give
అయితే
a pink, and we tried to contrast
match
the plant and
the planter color.
plant, yeah. Those are metal planters. They are rust-free powder coated planters.
Okay, metal ఇవన్నీ.
ఇవన్నీ metal.
Okay, I thought they are ceramic.
No, these are metal.
Metal,
This
but
is also metal, but
ఇది
that is also metal.
ఓకే, పెయింట్ వేయడం బట్టి మనకి సెరామిక్ లుక్ వచ్చింది
Ceramic
అన్నమాట.
option.
ఓకే, and they come along with the stand.
They come along with a tripod stand and a drainage hole.
Okay, triple leg stand. That looks so cute.
This is our elite planter. Whoever is minimalistic in life and is fond of black things, my favorite color is black, so I would definitely opt for this. This is black in color. Specialty of this is it has this curves around. It makes it look very beautiful. It also comes with a drain hole and a same black metallic plate. You can plant all the green and other pink plants to give a beautiful contrast. So this in here is our test tube planter, very apt for your office desk and study desk. Doesn't require much maintenance. Just drop in a money plant and give a really nice vibe to your workspace.
దట్ లుక్స్ సో ఆసమ్. అండ్ ఇక్కడ రెండు టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్స్ లాగా ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ దే ఆర్ మేడ్ ఆఫ్ గ్లాస్, రైట్?
Yeah.
గ్లాస్ టెస్ట్
Glass and wooden. This is a
Okay.
mango wood and this is glass.
ఓకే. దాంట్లో ఇట్స్ మనీ ప్లాంట్ కటింగ్స్, దే గాట్ ఇక్కడ రూట్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి.
This is a black swam. We've potted a succulent inside it to give it a nice look.
లుక్స్ రియలీ బ్యూటిఫుల్.
Here we have few mini pots.
సో దే టీ కప్ లాగా
Yeah, these are in the shape of cooler. They also come with a drain hole. We've
Okay.
used this for succulents, and these are mini bowls. You planted a cactus in this.
ఓకే.
Just to give a look.
అండ్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ హోమ్ మేడ్, హ్యాండ్ మేడ్, రైట్?
Handmade. And handmade by 4 early elements: air, water, fire and mud. You can place this on your office desk or study table to just give you a pleasant vibe.
అండ్ సక్యులెన్స్ పెట్టుకోవడానికి భలే ఉన్నాయండి, టీ కప్స్ లాగా చాలా. బై ది వే, కెన్ వి నో ది ప్రైస్?
Yeah. These are just for 129. The succulents will cost you 59. The succulents majorly are very costly outside.
Very
You get
expensive
for
actually,
200
yeah.
or something, but as a complimentary we're giving it for 59. This is a mini bowl that is for 199. The succulent is again for 59.
ప్లాంటర్స్ కి
Our planters here start from 399 and they range up to 599, depends on the size and the shape that you choose. The white here ones, because I've told you the specialty, because of the crackle, they are a bit costly. They start from 400, but others, for example, this is for 179. 179 only, comes with a drain hole. We've planted a cactus in this. In here is our special wooden collection. It is not actually wood, but it is ceramic. To give that feel, we have given that wooden texture. Wooden planters are usually spoiled because of water and all the other insects. So to avoid that, we've created the same in ceramic. This is our tree king here. He has this gorgeous eyes.
ట్రీకింగ్.
Yeah, he's called tree king. He has this gorgeous eyes. It also, all the planters here come with a platter with a plate. I'm sorry. So you can place them anywhere near your house and plant all your beautiful indoor planters. This in here is called our hand planter. This is very apt to put it on your front door whenever you come, whenever your guests come, to greet it like a namaskaram or something.
ఓకే, దండం పెడుతున్నట్టు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు అన్నమాట ఇంటి ముందు. బాగుంటది అట్లయినా.
This in here is our leopard. It's very fiercey. We have planted a cactus here. This also comes with a drain hole in here.
ఓకే.
We also have a white one here. If you don't like antiques, you can actually go for a white one. If you zoom it a little bit here, these are all crackles that
Oh
appear.
yeah.
So this is the specialty of that. Though there are so many cracks, it looks very beautiful. The cracks have been given here in purpose.
Okay, that to give that
Look.
feel.
Yeah.
Look and feel.
Cute Buddha planter. Comes with a plate. You can place this in your puja room or anywhere that you feel like. Interesting part here. This is a golden couple planter, very apt for wedding gifts. Where, you just give a plant, people will remember you forever with a cute couple. Also have this sitting couple. Pot a succulent, comes with a drain hole. Give it as a gift. People will water it daily, remember you for life probably.
And that
This
one
one
little
here.
Krishna.
Which one? No, this is our cute basket boy.
Oh.
He's going to collect fruits probably. We've planted again a succulent here. If you're a dog lover and like my mom, your mom doesn't allow you to get a dog, just get a planter in dog shape. We've planted a snake plant here, very apt, very maintenance free. Also comes with a drain hole.
And the best part about these indoor plants and succulents is that we don't have to water them.
Yeah.
Like once a
Not
week, that's
regularly.
more than enough.
Just moist them or spray some water. And
should be
we
enough.
have actually used cocoa peat and everything so that maintains our plants healthy and everything. Is a rectangular planter. We don't have a very quirky name for this. Just rectangular in shape, comes with a plate. So tortoise are mostly known to bring good luck to your place. So this is an antique tortoise that can be planted. It also can bring good luck and some fresh air. Most of you would think this is a pineapple, but no, this is a planter in the shape of pineapple. It's actually called the honeycomb planter because of the design over here. We've planted a grassy plant. It also comes with a drain hole and a plate to protect your furniture. This here is an oval antique planter, apt for bonsais, best for bonsais. You can also plant like 3 different pots. Comes with 3 different holes.
So
We've got another shape in this. This is a butterfly shape, as you can see. There's a butterfly shape. Comes with 3 holes again. Our antique planters range between 300 and go up to 1000.
300 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది 1000 వరకు ఉన్నాయి. ప్లాంటర్స్ అయితే చాలా చాలా బాగా నచ్చాయండి నాకు. ఇది గిఫ్ట్ ఐటమ్గా ఇచ్చుకోవడానికి చాలా బాగుంటాయి ఇవి. పిల్లల బర్త్డేస్కి అయినా కానీ, పెళ్లి రోజులైనా, మ్యారేజెస్ అయినా ప్లాంట్తో పాటు ఇచ్చేయచ్చు, బాగుంటుంది.
So we have this beautiful mugs here. This is our glazed white mug. Very apt for your morning coffee or your morning tea, probably Bournvita or Horlicks, like for people like me. This series is called Golden Series. The specialty of this series is it has prints inside and out. The handle is of gold color, so this actually gives a bit luxurious feeling whenever you try to drink some.
ఇవన్నీ సెరామికే కదా?
Anni ceramic, anni handmade ceramics again. As I have mentioned earlier, all our products are sustainable and environment friendly. There are no synthetics that have been used. Entirely made of mud, water, air, and fire. This is called stackable mug.
Okay.
If you have a storage problem, you can just stack this one above the other. This is also micron safe and dishwasher safe. No
Microwavable.
problem there. Yeah.
Okay.
People who like to sip beer once in a while, here you go. A classy beer mug for you all. This is our blue glazed mug. It's entirely glazed in royal blue and there's a fall sort of dip here. The handle is very convenient for all sort of people.
పెయింట్ వేసినట్టుంది.
In our places, we usually sit with our elders and have good sound meals. So this is a brass thali.
ఇత్తడి ప్లేట్.
Yeah, comes with a set of 2. You can also offer one if needed. If you wanna have tapri wali chai at feeling at home, here are our chai glasses. They are very very cute. One of my most favorite. Just pour a sip of just pour tea and sip in a very nice weather.
అండి బండి ఆ వీల్ తిరుగుతుందా? తిరగదు కదా, బట్ ఇట్ గివ్స్ దట్ ఫీల్.
Yeah. This here are our exclusive cutleries. They're all made of brass. They're really good in quality. You can see the quality over here. They come in set of 4 and 5, but we can also customize if you need like 6 forks, 5 forks, for 3 forks and 3 spoons. We can also do that. There's no mandate that you have to take the entire set. You can customize according to yourself.
And పైన స్టీల్.
These are steel.
Okay.
These are good quality steel. These are not like your usual spoons. They're actually designed.
Actually heavy. They are heavy.
Serving spoons for all your special occasion meals. They're golden color and you have this dal, rice and other sort of spoons.
ఇత్తడివి కదా? Brass.
They're all made of fine quality brass.
Okay.
These are our handmade tea coasters. They are a fusion of marble and wood. Here are this is a 4-color marble fusion. Here also, this comes with a gold and marble polish. You can enhance your dining table look with all these tea coasters. You can also use it to serve your desserts and everything in a very stylish way.
It also has a cute handle. This one as well.
Aroma diffusers. You just have to place your candle here and a few of your essential oils here to give a very good fragrance around the house. Here we have a few handmade soap bars.
Okay.
If you are willing to provide your soap bars a new home.
They have got the drain holes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Soaps
These are all hand painted soap bars. They're very quirky in style. These planters are all metal planters. They come with a stand and a pot. Very apt for your doorway or your rooms, near your rooms or near your TV shelves. You can actually just place the pot over on the planter to avoid any other any damages, but our pots are rust free and powder coated. Even if you plant them directly, there's no harm over there.
Okay.
Comes in different shapes. This is square. This is we call this Mr. Grey, and this is Mrs. Grey.
Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Grey.
This is Miss Goldie.
Oh, Mr. Gold లేడా?
Mr. Gold is out of stock.
ఓకే, ఇట్లా ప్లాంటర్ లోపల పాట్ పెట్టుకొని ప్లాంట్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ పౌడర్ కోటెడ్ కాబట్టి నో ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఆఫ్ గెటింగ్ రెస్ట్.
Latest collection in here, we call this as our jar planter. You can take out all the jars. You can plant 3 different sort of plants to give it a very elegant look. We've planted a snake with a pot. Just place the pot to avoid any damages, but there's no harm, like mentioned earlier,
If you
even
plant it
plant
directly.
Until I came across this stuff, I really didn't know this existed. So few of the plants just tend to bend, and to avoid that, you can just place that over the plant so that your plant is straight. Comes in size of 3. I think we're out of stock of small, big. This is medium and this is big. This in here is our tub planter. Comes in 2 tubs. It also comes in golden color that we are out of stock right now. You can just place 2 different plants and enhance the look like we did. This is my favorite part of the store. So this is our dineware, exclusive dineware collection. All our dineware is handmade, and it comes in very quirky shapes. You can see our sea green fish platter over here. You can serve all your starters and gravy starters over here to give it a nice look. This is again a fish platter. It's called mustard TLG.
Oh, okay.
It's glazed in yellow. This is our leaf platter. It's mustard, but it's matte in color. It's coated matte. This is our again line glass here, cooler to drink your charge, lassi and other drinks and beverages. Here there's this donga for your rotis and other curries. Comes with a lid. Dip bowls for mayo, ketchup and other sauces. You can like pair this up with platters to serve your starters and other chicken kebabs and everything. We have this beautiful maroon collection. This is our kharbuja katori.
Oh,
We also call it as our floral katori.
okay.
In here we have cooler, actual cooler, not the plant cooler to sip your
Okay.
teas.
And all these are of ceramic.
Ceramic. They're ceramic. This is our pasta bowl to serve pastas and other Italian dishes and other cuisines. In here is our dinner plate. This is a 10-inch. You can actually serve your rice, rotis and other and have your dinners very happily. This is our smallest quarter plate. It's called Kaju plate because of the engraving over here. This is our designer plate. You can also use it as quarter plate. It's designed entirely. This is our cooler and jug. You can serve your guest in style. Just pour the tea in front of them in the cooler to give it a nice vibe. Major selling dineware. It's called the Stone Blue collection, as you can see here. This is a cute kettle. Again, you can pair this up with a cooler and pour your tea. This is our soup bowl. You can actually sip your cold coffees and other soup. This is actually a soup bowl, but also you can use it for your lattes and everything. Our dineware with our beautiful cutlery. We've tried to pair it with our white and gold set and also our full gold set. You can choose accordingly. So this in here is our wooden collection. This is our wooden matcha to serve in style all your gravies and starters and everything. All your dry starters. Looks like the cot.
మంచం.
Yeah.
చిన్న మంచం లుక్ ఇస్తుంది అనమాట.
This here is made of acrylic sheet and mango wood.
Okay.
Very easy to wash. You can just wash it with water and soap or just wipe it clean with a wet cloth. It comes in a set of 4, but you can actually opt any of them. This is our rectangular platter. You can serve your chicken tikkas and chicken tangri kebabs over here to serve all your pizzas. And this is just a random party platter to serve your gravy starters over here. In here is our wooden tray. You actually cannot really tell this is wooden, but this is wooden. It has been given this marble look.
ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్ సెరామిక్ యాక్చువల్లీ, బట్ ఇది వుడ్ అంటండి. ఇది ఏంటి
Wood
సెరామిక్
and
లా ఉంది.
acrylic sheet.
ఓకే.
Comes with 2 handles to carry it very easily. There'll be no rush there. Again, this in here is our wooden platter. You can actually figure it out with wood. Acrylic sheet to clean it.
వుడ్ని సెరామిక్ లాగా, సెరామిక్ని వుడ్ లాగా దే హ్యావ్ డిఫరెంట్ వెరైటీస్. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇవన్నీ కలర్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకా పైన అవన్నీ మెటాలికా?
Yes, these are all metal planters.
మెటల్ ప్లాంటర్స్. అండ్ అవి మెటల్
Water cans.
వాటర్
metal
క్యాన్స్.
water
ఓకే.
cans. These are our flower water cans. You can actually use them to water your baby plants and also use them as decorative piece in your house. If you're a very minimal and aesthetic person, these are our aesthetic dineware. Just white but glazed in steak brown. This is our square platter. This is our steak white pasta bowl, and this is our 11-inch
ప్లేట్.
11-inch dinner plate. You see the dots over here. They've been given to create a dramatic look. Sure, most of you are bored with this normal routine dark jet black dinnerware. So here we added a little sparkle. You can actually call it confetti. To give a dramatic look to your dineware, there is this. It comes with a bowl, also with a quarter plate. There are a few over here. This is a black dish plate. You can like pair one black, one sparkle black to give it a to contrast your black dineware. If you're scared of dropping your planters, here is your rescue. Metal planter comes with a plate and a
That is
drain
metal.
hole. This is metal.
Okay.
But it looks very classy. As you can see, you cannot really tell it's metal.
Yeah. It looks like ceramic again.
Yeah. We also have different colors according to your choices. You can pick. There's this white. You can actually pair them either with a plate or a tripod stand. If you're fond of birds, there's this pigeon. It actually looks like a pigeon. The landmark is pillow number 1565 Chaitanya Puri. You can visit us from Monday to Sunday from 11 a.m. onwards to 8 p.m. in the night.
సో ఈ స్టోర్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో ఆ గూగుల్ లొకేషన్ నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తాను. సో కావాలంటే మీరు చూడవచ్చు. అండ్ వెబ్సైట్ కూడా ఉంది కదా, వెబ్సైట్లో కూడా డీటెయిల్స్ అన్నీ చూసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. కాంటాక్ట్ కూడా అవ్వచ్చు కదా, ఇన్ కేస్ కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ కూడా ఇస్తాను. సో దట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే యూ కెన్ కాంటాక్ట్